In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build dashboards in Power BI Desktop. We'll start right inside Power BI Desktop. So go ahead and open the app on your computer and load one of your reports. This gives us a canvas and some data to work with as we build a clean, interactive dashboard. First, let's prepare the data. Click Transform Data to open the Power Query Editor. This is where you clean and shape your tables before they power your visuals. Begin by checking data types. Make sure numeric fields are set as decimal number or whole number, and that any date fields are set to date. Getting this right prevents calculation errors and ensures your charts sort and summarize correctly. Next, remove any columns you don't need. You can right-click a column header and choose Remove to keep the model lean and faster to refresh. If your column names are sitting in the first row of data, go to the Home tab and choose Use First Row as headers so your fields are labeled properly. When you're happy with the cleanup, click Close and Apply in the top left to load those changes back into the report. Now let's model the data. Click the Model View icon on the left. It looks like a little diagram. To relate tables, drag a matching field from one table to the other, such as a key that exists in both. Power BI draws a line to create a relationship, which lets visuals use fields across tables in a single view. With that in place, it's time to build visuals. In the Visualizations pane on the right, pick a chart type like a clustered column chart. A blank chart appears on the canvas. In the Data pane, drag a category such as date or product name to the x-axis and a numeric field to the y-axis. You'll see the chart come to life immediately. Add as many visuals as you need for your story. To make the report interactive, add slicers. Click the slicer icon, then drag a field like year or region into it. Selecting values in the slicer will filter the other visuals on the page, helping viewers focus on exactly what matters. Finally, polish the design. Select a visual and click the Format Your Visual icon. Update titles to be descriptive, like changing sum of sales by month to monthly revenue trends. Adjust colors to match your brand or to keep categories distinct and readable. For a cohesive look, click an empty area of the page and use the Format pane to set a subtle canvas background. Thanks for watching.